Hey, Will here from the Intercom sales team. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can start using video to connect with your prospects. We've been using video for quite some time now at Intercom to speak with both prospects and customers. We've experimented, we've doubled down. Now we're actually sending thousands of videos every week. So first off, why is video important? What's so good about it? The first point to make here is it's a really personal and different way to engage with prospects. Just in having eye contact with them, it puts you in the room. It allows you to communicate a lot more value than simply a text-based email alone will. Second point to mention, you guys can embed videos anywhere you like. You can put it on a website, in an email, in a live chat. It is a very flexible and versatile format. Once you make a video, you can use it and reuse it a lot. And the final point to make here is it's actually quite novel. Not many people, believe it or not, are sending engaging videos in email or live chat to their prospects. So when they get them, it's different. People see it, they stand up, they wake up, and they watch that video, at least in my experience. So that's all great, but what if you guys don't have thousands of dollars of video equipment lying around? Well, actually, you just need one of these. Grab yourself a phone, and we're going to talk through a few tips on how to get started. So the first one, go and find a good natural light source. Sit up by a window, make sure you've got natural light on you and on your face. It's going to create a much cleaner and engaging video. The second point is make sure that you have your camera at eye height. Shoulder, ideally eye height. It's going to create really good depth behind you and create a far more engaging viewing scene. Another point to mention here is unless you're really experienced in producing videos in live and open environments, not that I am, make sure you go and get a conference room or a meeting room, lock yourself away, at least for the first few runs, take that pressure off, you'll feel way more comfortable. The very last point to make is try and keep your videos as short as possible. 2 minutes, a minute and a half, a minute, whatever that needs to be for you to get your message across, just try and optimize for speed, keep it punchy. Those are my tips. I'd love to hear what you guys do on a daily basis. Please share them below. We'd love to talk.